Hey, sand fans and lunatics, Sand Phil here with
Blade Hunter.
Woohoo! So I got some help in the shop today. Alright, well guess what? We're still waiting on some parts for the flywheel so we can get that magnet back on to see if we've, got that part fixed. But you know what? We still got to do this the exhaust pipes. Didn't do that yet, so hey, let's do that while we're waiting on parts. Let's get going. The next issue. Well, alright everybody, well we kind of ran out of time, but we got really close. I think we got all the parts cut up, so now all we got to do is just weld that exhaust up. Hopefully the parts for the flywheel and stator will be in on the next video, and we can maybe get it running. What do you think?
I think that'll be awesome.
I think it'll be pretty awesome too. Well, from Sandphil and
Blade Hunter,
be safe on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?